So this is my latest mini, and it's a 6x6 mini, and it uses the Stacked Hinge method. And I learned this method by watching an awesome tutorial by Cheryl from Gemzisle here on YouTube. And she goes through a 5-part series of how to put her 6x6 mini albums together and how to use and create that Stacked Hinge binding. So this is my mini, and I used the A Girl's Life, which was a sorted open sock paper pack, and I also used the linen and lace paper stack. So I interchange those two paper stacks in this album. So on the front cover here, I use one of the images from the A Girl's Life stack, and these are some wild orchid craft flowers. And on the spine, I just added some trim that I got from one of my crafty friends. And so inside there are 6 pages, and the inside cover has a pocket, and I used my Martha Stewart punch there on the edge. And there are 2 photo mats that I made using the paper collection. And the first page is a flip page, but here on the front I used a journaling image that was from the collection, and this flips up. And there's another image from the collection, and this is a full photo mat. Each page also has a top loading tag. And then on this page, this is a fold out. It's held together with some ribbon. So it just folds out like that to give you some more places to put photos. And over here is a full photo mat. And here is the top loading tag. And this is the first fold out. Get that down. And so there are 4 areas where you can place photos. And again, I just used some of the images from the paper collection. And this for me is like a dry run, I guess you could say, because I see a lot of mistakes that I made, and so when I make the next mini like this, I know how I can correct those mistakes. And then this is 2 full page spreads, and this is the next fold out section, and another full page spread. And this is the last page, and it also has a flip page. And here's an image from the collection. So this flips up, and you can see a journaling spot there. And I made a pocket with one of the images and added a tag. And then on the back, here's another fold out that's held together with ribbon. This folds out like this. And on the back cover is another pocket and a photo mat. So again, I want to thank Cheryl for her awesome tutorial. And here's the back. And so if you'd like to see it in its completion, then head over to her channel here on YouTube, which is Gemzisle. And I have that in the video description. So I guess this is a video response to her video, because she requested that if we did a project, that maybe we can share that project. So this is my project, and So if you like to make one of these minis, then head over to her channel.